this one now is from Angie, the cool Noel baby mother, and friends from the US. So you know them, right? Alright then. And this is 68,000 towards the material. 68. So that's from Angie, cool Noel baby mother and friends.
Yes, Angie. Thanks. Big up Chan.
Yeah.
Happy time to turn the phone.
Chan knows the. See.
Let's them up and show them. And then take up some of the video.
You want to sit them up and show them where we're going?
You show them where you get to find.
Okay.
I like for come there.
See there?
Yeah, come up down there. Come there, yeah, come up and send it.
Yes, Scanna. Yes, yeah. Life return on the goodie.
Show your face in the
Life return on the goodie.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Then I want hear me mother drink sorry.
Baby is back. Baby is back. The fans them been asking about you, but she's returned.
I'm back.
She got a country, she got plant here and come back here look for a while. So she there now. You know bring up my yam and banana, baby? Oh. Yeah. Really, Babs?
Babs? Put on the makeup to me.
Oh, go on. Come down in the yard. Down in the yard. That's Willie, Babs? Everything alright?
Yeah, man.
Hey, you just sleep?
No, but I went from Kuwait for you.
Okay. You have a TV now in there?
Yeah.
It's a good look.
I never dance like that.
Yeah, so might as well. Look how you smile more now still, isn't it?
You smile, can't stop smiling.
Yeah. You never give you so much smile, I'm like that, so changes. So as I say, man, we have come try put in some work for you on them there, you know, and the people that watch the program, them really touched by your situation. And them are continue to reach out for your support. So as I say, I have some donation for you towards your material. Because we're going to start out the place for you as well here. So we're going to try to see if we can fit it in between the work we are doing on 2nd Street and Natisha. Because we have that now, so it's kind of awkward. Yeah. So them send to us to get some material for you, so that's a great sign we want so far. So once we have that now, we know so at least the work can soon start whenever. It won't take no long time still. Can probably take like 3-4 days with us box it off quick and fast with the ceiling and the flooring and the zinc, you know, and the painting and everything there. And get you up and running with a bed and TV, you know. I give you a new look. When you see for a makeover, when you see for a long while, you see me? Because you don't know, say, you're not supposed to live the way how you live, no matter what. Say the donors, them and the dream team can try to do better. We are doing it for you to make you a better life, you understand? Because it's well needed. Because a human being if you live in them conditions the way you live, you know. So I can imagine we really go through. Yeah, stay in and watch TV.
Get in comfort zone.
He said not to be there, nah, see him again.
No time at all, I can't get to buy a split for me neither.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call him, I'll be a missed call, I'm not going to wait till the cool off. I'm looking to see him come. Can't see him again.
Can't see.
Put the man smile them.
He smile. He say smile and bright.
Smile, man.
Smile him up, you know.
Yeah. Like that, man. So at least you buy yourself a TV, you can go and occupy yourself with the donation where you get, so at least you make use of it, see me, you know. Yeah, man, so it's good. So as I mentioned now, I have some donation for you towards the material. And this is from a friend of Kino and the Dream Team in the US. 26,000 towards the material. That's 26,000, yeah. So that's a friend of Kino and the Dream Team in the US. So you can big them up.
Yeah, thank you, yes, sir. I go with you, yes, sir. Nice of you, yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. And you also have. So this is $5,000 from Unknown from Canada. Yeah, so that's 5,000. Person name Unknown, so you can big up Unknown from Canada.
Thank you, yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah, so the name I'm Unknown because I never get to write the name now. So the person is from Canada. So it's Unknown from Canada. And you also have Jalov from London. $9,000 from Jalov.
Thank you, yes, sir. Respect God over you.
Yeah, so count it, let them see it. Help him with that there. Baby, help him with that. Help him. So that's Jalov.
Jalov, respect and more blessing, and thanks for help out Willie back.
Yeah. Yeah. This is forgiving you. So you also have Erica from London as well too. $10,000 from Erica from London. So let's count that.
Thanks Erica from London. Help out Willie back. May God continue to bless you and may your food basket never empty.
Let me tell you, thank you. Thanks, yes, sir.
Yeah. And you also have True from the UK. $8,000 from True from the UK.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Yes, it's True.
Yeah, True, big up yourself. Respect.
Yeah. And this one now is from Angie, the cool Noel baby mother, and friends from the US. So you know them, right? Alright then. And this is 68,000 towards the material. 68. So that's from Angie, cool Noel baby mother and friends.
Yes, Angie. Thanks. Big up Charm. Yeah, Charm up to don't it, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, so count it. 68. Count that then.
Big respect to Angie and the Charm.
Cool Noel.
Sandy, Cool
Yeah.
Noel.
Baby
and
mother,
Willie.
yeah.
Blessings towards Willie Bob. Yeah, thank you very much.
And you also have the Ellis, let me know, Stumpy, big up Stumpy as well too. Is it me and the Ellis family. And you know, lovers. So, yeah, so you know, big. So this is 70,000 from them towards the material, so count that.
Yeah, bro. Thank you, yes, sir.
Yeah.
I'm growing and know that. Thank you.
Yeah, because Stumpy say you good.
Yeah, man. Thank you, sir. I'm going to do it.
Yeah.
So the Ellis family?
Yeah.
Yeah, so big up the Ellis family. Enough respect and blessing. I'm on a food basket never empty. And thanks to make everything possible for Willie Bob.
Yeah. And so you big up Stumpy, you know, so you go Stumpy, man, you see me? And lovers. You mean boom. Boom. You see me? So big them up all the time, man, and everything. So this now is towards the material and everything, so can get a place sort out. You understand? So Willie Bob say him buy a TV with the donation when him get so far, so it occupy him, you know? So be a smile, him say no, I'm more happy. We say more happy now.
Say from Thursday in.
Yeah, so you're more happy than before. And that's great, that's a blessing. So we have to give thanks to the donors them and give thanks to the Almighty.
Well, everyone I want to come together and bless you now, praise and thank you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, it's a new start, you know, 2021, so your journey I go big and new look. Yeah, I get, you understand?
By the dream team.
Yeah, so donors them big up on yourself all the time. God bless you know. And man, the food basket never go empty. Yeah, every time. So we on the team there. I go and put in the work, same way. And alright then, definitely man. So big up yourself here, and we'll see you definitely today, yeah? Scanna. Go on.
Dream team and life team.
Dream team and the life team.
Social life from our push on me, I love it.
You see, yeah, it's a good look. It's a good look.
And some big significance.
Scanna.
Keep it real.
Ever real.
I'm gonna say cotton real. Real.
Genuine. Genuine, nothing cotton. So how you feeling though?
Feeling brilliantly in my kin, you know.
Yeah. I want things can never have lyrics in one. You can never turn artist.
Not gimmicks, you know.
See, they're not gimmicks. You never turn artist, because after you're not to artist.
I'm artist.
Never kill it an artist.
Yeah, I go man, I don't want to be in for an election.
Okay. So
Liquid John coming on me and you know, because more time I don't have country that don't bring most of them.
okay.
Socialist roots, you about that sound? About that sound?
Don't.
Yeah. Country there and the African roots now.
Oh.
Yeah, Liquid John used to depend on it and always take care of them. I'm lucky to be me all take care of when I'm coming to the country.
Yeah.
Cook food, I'm making yam food.
See
You know
there.
who's lucky to be?
No.
The African singer.
Oh.
And Robbie man shoot him in Africa.
Okay.
Yeah, and two chicken have run going out, all the cook, all the cook, play.
Yeah, first me hear about him still.
Lucky don't get dead in.
Yeah. So you have to represent for them when you come.
You said that in the mean, they didn't.
What do you mean by that? Them dead? Pass away?
Picking them were dead.
Oh.
In Africa they run him down and shoot him and rob him.
Them legacy will live on.
Coming out of the country that can't chill on the beach, so tell them they're growing.
Okay.
And from the beach and they grow. And cheese pan, they cooking fish then again.
Yeah. All the cooking used to go on them cheese pan back in the days, you know.
And down the beach.
Yeah.
The wake up all on rough like, you know.
Good.
Live rough and nice, you know.
Yeah.
Nice life in this now live, you know.
Yeah. Anything get nicer.
Gonna be brilliant, sir.
Brillianter. If you have a book for your lyrics, then you know. Yeah, make sure you write that down because you have Scanna dictionary, you know.
Scanning.
Scanning, we had a scanning dictionary, you see it? Not Scanna, scanning for life. Because I say body, him say goodie. Though, see there. So goodie.
Body mostly don't hire.
Oh, okay.
Modern place, man, don't hire. All the way to call it.
Hey, Mag.
Must spend Calvary and all these places.
That's where body is.
Yeah.
So now you represent say a goodie.
Yeah, all the while good.
Goodie. So how the goodie feel now?
Could feel abundant in a life.
Yeah. And you move
Life, I
on.
mean, real life.
Yeah. So you kind of move around still.
No, I'm spinning up on this like a merry-go-round with me. I'm stopping a life and I'm spinning around in it.
Yeah.
Every time I turn the phone from.
Chia knows the. See.
And I sit them up and show them. And I take up some of the video.
You want to sit them up and show the world what I go on?
Show them where you get to pass.
Okay.
The life will come there, man.
See it there?
Yeah, come up down there. Then get us down up and send it.
Yes, Scanna. Yes,
And
yeah.
up on for some, not to make it.
Yeah. Life return on the goodie.
Show your face in the light.
Life return on the goodie. You let them see your face now, see? Can I camera?
Picture and look on
Which one
this.
is?
Every time I measure like, if I measure properly in myself.
So you last girl?
Oh,
Swear like ball.
sure, like boy, say.
It's gonna look nice, see?
I don't let me sit down and say him. I swear, my man was asking, I'm sitting up and I'm sick on the hospital.
And sometimes look on him and I want to see it. I look like my devil, you know.
No.
Poet look, you know.
Oh.
So then time me a deep in a definition.
Say it, man.
Yeah. Scanna.
Look beautiful and all
I'm
these things.
different. When I say pass a picture, I don't know which picture yet.
Scanna
So
himself.
if what's the
So you look on it all the while.
And that's to say, you all when you dance hospital, I mean, I tell them, let's put on a scanner.
And that's a good sign because look Scanna well up and running and you know. Fit can see a figure on there so with the foot and
Don't you know the
everything.
scanner, you tell this? You not live here, I tell this?
Right, you know. You know that man up on the picture? He's a woman that
Kinda fit,
man
man.
on the picture for me shirt.
Oh, I can't see.
And the man that take care of Bob when he come up. Bob live in one room like this down the road. Bob Marley not tell about. I mean Bob. I
Yeah.
mean Bob will live up a couple bless them.
So the next thing you soon start this Scanna is get up and walk around.
Oh, that is
That left, you know, the far away. Last time you tell me say it was 90%. We reached on 95. Holy.
So pick my flick up off.
Yeah, I know say.
Every time I my finger I couldn't move. When weak and dry out and
Yeah.
you man, I work for energy and strength. I
Yeah.
push on food for me.
Yeah, man.
And outshore. Thing you know.
Yeah. That's not Edshore, Outshore. And change every name in the book.
So every time you my change.
Yeah, but you know, catch what you know, watch what dairy product.
Yeah,
So
them shit, they do the black.
clean and build, man.
And it used to thin out, and I even say that get thick
Can I walk
up.
much? Remember the master asked you?
You know how would that Scanna?
No.
A bigger man sister.
Yeah, Shelly's sister, baby.
I'm sitting on criminal and something.
But the master and criminal sin.
know people and them.
Yeah. Can't know nobody and them. Looks like Scanna, I'm not like the donors them.
You can't wear them and you're gone to jail or police shoot you.
True.
Or you're not going to do nothing that's bad. You have to
True.
be careful.
Yeah.
So I'm trying out.
But Scanna, I'm not like the donors them. Donors them are really proud, you know, and feel good in themselves.
Sit down.
And we see right now the progress we reach right now from from before.
Yeah.
You see me? So we have to give thanks.
The man think of and show you the fingernail, man. Fingernail and blessing and finger.
Yeah.
Everything you do is
Yeah, so we have to.
joke talk.
Okay.
Everything you do is solid.
Yeah, man, so you have to give thanks to the Almighty, you know. Give thanks to the donors, them.
Nature.
More nature. Scanna tell you, man. More life, him say, you know.
I said, God and him something, and nature you have to tell me about.
Yeah.
And we love the governing, the reasoning, positive. You ever give good up to that man.
Yeah.
I don't know. Can't go on like you want disrespect someone who
highly above, you know.
Really?
You know. Yeah, man, the creator, you know, so I have to give thanks. Don't know which farm I'm in now, but we still have to give thanks for him seeing me. Mike can't see him, but we know we can feel the works that we him do sometime, you know, the wonders. Nature, as way they say. So we give thanks all the time, and the donors, them are really feel good when them see this. You know, because if you can see yourself right now, what do you feel?
Ball of light and look bright, you know?
Yeah.
Your own ball of light and look extreme bright.
Extreme bright. Your whole face.
Feel the islandness in myself.
You can feel it. Yeah, man.
You can know it, you know?
Yeah, man.
One night time, I said, you look like a mice, you know? You know, the mice were wet up.
Yeah.
Down there.
Hey, that drama this.
Yeah.
I feel I love full of strength.
Yeah.
Keep
I'll
God.
give thanks to nature.
Yeah, man, every time, man.
So nature, you have to give it up and give us strength. You know?
Yeah, true.
It's not a show up thing, you have to give a man a strength and do it.
Of course.
Some people don't know him and still don't want to know him.
Of course.
It's a mystic little man.
Yeah. Him work in mysterious ways.
Everybody now can do it like how some people do it. Have a governance to life and nature.
True.
Without nature, you don't have nothing.
No. Without rain. Anyways, it's life, mother nature.
Couldn't even do something, I have nature in myself. Every man deal with it different. You know?
True.
Some say Jesus, some say God, some say Jesus, some say even Mary in past.
Yeah.
Mary and Mary then.
Yeah.
X amount of greatness all found.
Yeah. True. Aye. Love you. Aye. You full of it
I
still?
go beg on phone then.
Yeah?
I go beg on phone.
Oh, you got one phone? Yeah, man. It will come in time because when I say your needs are going to fulfill, you know, so everything I go work out. I call, you know, God plan it.
I don't know where it turn after she come save me. And she come save me, kick off do like van.
Yeah.
Because government, so government for man are dead, you know.
Yeah, she tell me,
Can't
man.
go to the hospital.
It's a low hospital. Not hospital.
You get higher now, you know.
Yeah.
The man should keep me in a life, not make me have life.
Yeah, for real. Really appreciate liquor. I'm telling you, say your blessing, so I come in abundance, you know. Oh.
But when I'm sick, I'm not see him, I say, I'm not so Scanna. I'm going to say Scanna, him answer me. But when I'm answer me like, you can't understand. So I don't know him now, get up. I push it up. When I push him, I don't try to push it out. I like him lock up himself. I said, no, I'm going to see my family.
I'm never styling always, what me in and put on a lock, you know.
Like that, but you may not see the lock on them, I say him in there. I'm going to tell me say him in there. I've seen him go him and put on the lock on the door. And you say, man, he lock up himself.
Yeah.
And that, maybe no say, me not come and see the lock. So I say, no, man. Like some wrong with you, I say, Scanna, want me to you and say, see. You say, you need to lie down and lock up yourself? I said, no, I saw a police jeep up and start them. And I want to go and nobody now want to go. Them have to cry.
Yes, Scanna. Merciful. More mercy. More life. Tougher life, you know. And the goodies really at work right now. So I have a donation for you from Vicky from London.
Alright, Mr. London. All the best.
Her name is Vicky. Yeah, big up Vicky.
Yeah, Vicky.
Yeah.
Ever straight up.
Yes, she.
Life and thanks.
Every time.
And I say bank, you know, I say thanks.
Yeah. Give things and give thanks. Look at call this for him, $4,000.
Keep them man and don't go like you're scared.
Yeah. Right, we are once And Scanna, man. Cause around there, I cook some food as well too, you know, Scanna. Yeah, man, I cook some pumpkin rice. Yeah, some pumpkin rice and chicken. Yeah.
Give me like the oats.
Yeah.
It's too thick.
Where should I make it?
Yeah.
Every mix, every drink it, sir. I put the soap and
You blend it. You know, use too much. So if it thick, don't use too much in it.
Should I make the party? Should I give me the money?
Yeah, just don't put too much in it at once.
I see make it that. Me give this man no drink it.
Oh,
So that's funny.
320.
6.
You know, cause every little help counts. No matter how small it is.
Just round bulb, you know?
Yeah.
Not my face.
Brighten up your face. You want so you look bright.
The viewers them see you.
The viewers them are go proud.
No, I never should tell you.
I go proud, you know. See how hold up the eye knot. Relax long those Scanna.
Cushites.
They call it Cushites. Yeah, Cushites.
I will get mad in that, so I will cut it off again.
Yeah, man.
Then we just come hospital. If I go hospital, I'm going to cut it off. I tell him to get no as it come out.
There's a bullet.
When you come here, I want to see that now make it come on and see that stuff. So some man make it short. So I eat my piece, I want shot fire.
Nah, get rid of the lax, yeah, man.
License, nice one.
Yeah, true, it's life.
License of days, you know? You have to go if you can't keep kush so long, you know?
True.
And keep it real, eh?
If
your mind dirty, you flat, you know?
How long now you have the lax?
Oh, some 30 of days.
30 odd years. Good well now, man. And,
Not ready for good,
yeah.
You don't marry Papa today.
Alright then, Scanna, so you don't know, keep the journey. Continue, I keep it moving, yeah?
Hero.
So, Scanna, until next time, yeah? I'll come back, come circle you again.
Hero.
Continue the good work, see me, yeah, Scanna? One with the feel liquor.
Yeah,
That's why I'm still there.
See.
I do the good things for me back.
Yeah, true. Never turn your back.
I wash off the color of 500.
Alright, later, yeah, liquor? Yeah, Scanna later.
Yeah.
Scanna.
Give a thanks.
Yeah, man. More blessing.
Alright. The TrenchTown, you hear that?
A lifesaver,
yeah.
Yeah, like for your lifesaver.
Yeah.
Man jump in the water and save people, you know.
Yeah.
You can't swim, you know.
Can't see.
And a great mistake, you're a great youth, you know. Some people who can't swim now do that, you know. They save lives, so they're for them. Back to the water, just
Evermore.
when I cook, lick it out.
Yeah, man.
Can't do.
Nice in Africa.
Go over, man. Baby, return like the Jedi. Yeah, cause you know what, you give us some donation for the team, but you wasn't here. So now you're there upon the arrival, top of the morning. So I'm gonna honor these donation. And the first one we have is, so we have a donation from Carl and Denise from the US. $2,000 from Carl and Denise.
Right. Blessings, Carl and Denise. Enough thanks and respect for the donation.
Yeah. And you also have Faith from the UK. $2,000 from Faith.
Faith from the UK. Just go and big up yourself and stay safe. Blessings.
Yeah. And you have $1,000 from Lady CC as well too.
Lady CC, thank you. You don't know, more blessing and guidance. And may on the food basket never empty. Big up all of the donors all over the world.
Yes, straight. Yeah, man, so give thanks to all the donors there, man. Welcome back from the countryside.
Yeah.
BB.
Alright, one team.
Dream team. Alright.
Yeah.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.